We record this. Okay. So myself Jayant Kumar, and I'm having 11 years of experience as a ETL tester. Okay, so I work mostly with many companies like Deloitte, UST Global, Dell Technologies, NetApp, okay, Atos, and then currently I'm working with IBM company, and in this approximately 2 years experience I have. So total overall 11 years of experience. I worked on the approximately 14-15 ETL testing project. Okay. So 14-15 ETL testing projects. So based on that only I have drafted all this document. And people do say after seeing other places, after comparing other places, the whatever the content I am going to cover as a ETL tester, it's like the best in the market. Okay, the best in market. And then how I like teach you that technique as well as the like support what you'll get from me, that is you will not get anywhere else. Like people will just finish the course and they will leave you on the simply like that only, and they will not finish much of the course also. Many of the people they are complaining like that, and I'm getting every day like 3-4 calls like I did not get job and all these things. Okay, so but I'll make sure that if you'll give me your 100%, you will get IT job for sure. Okay. So coming back to the next topic, what is ETL testing? So many people you have joined and you will be not knowing what is ETL testing. Correct. Many of you will be not knowing that ETL testing. What is ETL testing? So ETL testing, you can say that it is called as Informatica testing, data warehouse testing. Other way, ETL testing. Okay. So in ETL testing, some other name will be data warehouse testing, your Informatica testing. Okay. So these are the names will be common. And Informatica tool is a very common tool, ETL tool, where like you will be using. And if consider 10 jobs are there for ETL testing, then 7 to 8 jobs will be on Informatica tool only. Okay. So because it's a standard job, a standard tool, Informatica is a standard tool. So what is ETL testing? As a ETL testers, what we are going to do, consider that you take any banking domain, okay, banking system you take. Consider you take HDFC Bank, okay, HDFC Bank or SBI Bank, whatever you want to take it. So how the process will be there? Like you go in a ATM, you will swipe your ATM card, you will withdraw some amount or you deposit some amount. You will go to the bank. Okay, you will go to the bank. There you will deposit the money. There you will withdraw the money. You will have loans and all. So those are the whatever the transaction you do in a ATM or bank and all. Those are called as a transaction, like one transaction, two transaction, like main. You 1 million of customer will visit the bank. Okay, daily. 1 million of 10 lakhs of customer or 9 lakhs of customer or 5 lakhs of customer, they will visit the bank and they will do some transaction. So those transaction, bank has to maintain somewhere. Okay, bank has to maintain those details. Though whatever the data will be generated on the one day, it has to be maintained somewhere. Okay, so those things will be maintained through the ETL testing process, or they will create a data warehouse. They will create a data warehouse, and based on that only the data will go in a different layer to different layer, and it will be stored in a one particular database table where like many rules will be applied onto that. So whatever the rules will be applied, developers will be developing those rules. So we have to, as a ETL tester, we have to validate those rules. Okay, we have to validate those rules, or from one layer, from source, from banking domain, from the from the bank. Once the data will go and some it will be stored in a somewhere, so we have to validate those data. Well, if 10 lakhs of data is moving from one layer to another layer, whether those data is valid or not. So those we as a ETL tester will make it will make it proper. Okay, so we'll think that we'll do some set of validations and we'll make sure that whatever the data is going to be transformed from one layer to another layer, that is valid. Okay, that is valid. For that only we'll be using our database. We'll be using our database, as well as we'll be using Informatica tool to load the data from one layer to another layer. So this is what we have the ETL tester. So ETL testing is very important, not only banking. You consider any other domain, okay? You consider any other, you take whatever examples, like if it's a small organization or big organization, like Flipkart, Amazon, your any store you take it, okay, any store means who will have 50, 60, 100 store minimum, so they have to keep their data stored somewhere, customer data, so that they can generate some report on that, like consider that I have a store, okay, 100 store all over India. I have a store. Consider that Big Bazaar, I'm owner of Big Bazaar, and Big Bazaar is having 100 store all over India. So 100 store, consider that 1 lakh customer every day visiting. So that 1 lakh is no, 1 lakh data, 1 lakh customer data we have to store somewhere. And end of the month, okay, end of the month when you will have 30 lakhs customer data will be there. Okay, so 30, based on that only, out of 100 store, you will be able to generate the report. You will be able to generate the report because what type of report it will generate? To see the business progress, to see the business progress. Consider that 100 stores are there, 10 in Karnataka, 10 in Tamil Nadu, 10 in Andhra Pradesh. So like that, if it's 100 stores are there, so they will observe that whether Andhra Pradesh stores are how they are doing, Tamil Nadu stores are how they are doing business, Karnataka stores are how they are doing business, Delhi stores are how they are doing business. All these things they will check through the report. So how they will generate the report? Once the data will be, they will store proper data, they will store in a target system. From that target system, data will go to the reporting, and through the report, the business people, okay, business people or the client or the owner of the company, they will be able to take decision. Okay, this 10 the total 100 story there. So this month we have invested $1 million, and we got 3 million of dollars. So total profit is 2 million of dollar. So we are doing good. We'll start new store. We'll add 5 more store this month. We'll add 10 more store that time. Or like they will feel that okay, due to COVID and all, we have invested 1 million of 1 million $1 million, but we are getting some sort of money like 900, you can say that like it will be 0.9 million dollar only we are getting, so they'll have some loss. So those are the things they will be able to generate when they will store data as a form of ETL testing. Okay, so this is the benefit of ETL testing. You take any company example, they'll need ETL testing. They will need data warehouse. Okay, they will need data warehouse. Whether like your data is going to be stored in a database or you are going to store data in a cloud, you need data warehouse to maintain, to make data proper flow. Okay, why ETL testing is SQL, manual or cloud? So compared to manual, compared to automation, why we need ETL testing? Okay, you people have joined this session, and as I can say that like we have manual testing, we have automation testing, we have performance testing, but why only ETL testing I'm suggesting to learn? Because see, you go manual testing or you learn manual testing, full of theoretical part will be there. So manual testing is very old testing method, okay, very old testing method, and manual testing
स्क्रीन पे कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है
Hi all, James here. Sorry, power cut, due to power cut got disconnected. Join back. Okay.
ओके सर नो इशू
Okay. So the why we need ETL testing? Because see, learning of ETL testing is easy. and it will be technically you'll be using a database, you'll be using ETL tool as an Informatica tool, or some technical things are there in this ETL testing. Okay, and compared to manual testing, because manual testing, most of the manual testing project, they made it automated. They made it automated, and moreover, like you will less job, you will have less job as a freshers, they prefer because so all manual kind of things will be there in ETL testing. So that's why they are using ETL testing. And when we see ETL testing, it's a data related things, correct? Online, how many data, how much data generated, or bank, how much data generated. So day by day, the data generations in any of the company, it's increasing only. So it will never go. It will never go, so data validations will never go. It will be there in a form of whatever the form it will be there, but it will be there. So scope also there, very good scope for ETL testing. Okay, so the scope for ETL testing is also very bright because it's a you as you know, like your COVID time, like whatever 2 years, 3 years, we generated a lots of data, correct? So everywhere in a home, and then through home only you are buying your medicine, you are buying your grocery item like vegetables, rice, atta, whatever is there, you will be buying online only. So you are generating a lots of data if you are generating lots of data, it will be stored somewhere and it will be processed somewhere using ETL tool only, using the data warehouse concept only. So scope will be very huge because day by day people are using more online services instead of going to the store and buying the thing. They are doing online store only. If you have to buy cloth, if you have to buy the grocery item, if you have to buy whatever you do, okay. So those things you are doing online only. So if you are doing online, you are generating data. Okay, so if you are generating data, so it will be maintained through the data warehouse concept only. If you are maintaining through data warehouse concept, then someone should be there to validate those data. Okay, validate those data and process those data to the target system. So that's why ETL tester jobs will be high. Okay, nowadays what they are doing, they are moving data from the local database, previously they were used to store data in a database. Nowadays, they are moving data warehouse data using ETL testing. They are moving to the data warehouse only. Okay, data warehouse or like cloud. You can say that they are moving data from the database to data cloud only. Okay, so when cloud came in picture, your scope it become double for ETL tester. So that's why like ETL tester will never go down. You believe me or not, I have 11 years of experience, and I am very comfortable in ETL testing. Okay, I am not planning to switch to anything. I tried 4 years back. I learned data science, but that much confidence, the comfort level what I got in ETL testing, I don't want to lose that confidence. Comfort zone in ETL testing. It's easy to learn. Okay, it's easy to learn, easy to crack interviews. Question will be set of questions only will come, and easy to crack the interviews. And while going to the project, surviving also very big problem in IT industry. So that if it's easy to learn, easy to survive, after learning course from my this thing, you will be able to survive in a company also. You will be able to survive in a company also. Many people they have joined. Many people they have joined a company after completing of this course, and they got a job. Okay, they got job and they are working perfectly fine. So there is no problem with that. How 100% job guaranteed. So I am if you'll see the job applications and all in a Facebook and all where we have advertised our classes, so we have mentioned that 100% job guaranteed. So it's not like that after completing the course, I will take job and I'll give you in a hand. Okay. Because it's completely you will be going 4 years, 5 years, 6 years of experience you will be showing. Okay, you have not worked previously, and you are going to show as a 4 years, 5 years of experience. So what you have to do in that case? to get the 100% job guarantee, you have to give 100% effort. Okay, 100% effort. Without your effort, I cannot place you in a company. If I'll place you in a company also without your 100% effort, you will not able to survive in a company because you will not have knowledge only. Because 4 years, 5 years of experience we are going. Many people they do like proxy and backdoor. So they what they will do? They will just go for a proxy, and after 1 month they will call, sir, can you support my project? I need project support. I am not able to understand what is this and all. So, and after 1 month they will terminate also because see, once you'll go in a project, you have to attend meeting, you have to show some knowledge. Okay, you have to show some knowledge. It's not like rocket science, but whatever the ETL testing knowledge I'll give you, that knowledge you have to show there, so that they will feel that okay, fine, he is a real employee and he worked earlier. Okay, if you don't have any idea, you'll go through proxy and other approach, then you will what it will happen? You will not able to understand the requirement. You will not understand the process. So you will face like they will terminate you immediately after 1 month or 10 days or 20 days. They will feel that you are fake. They will talk to HR and they will terminate you. It happens. It's like I'm not bluffing it. I'm not telling lies and all. You can check in market. Okay, so it's true also. Okay, it's true also, and it's logical also. If you don't have idea, and which one you are showing as a 4 years, 5 years, you cannot if cannot survive. Huh? That is there. If you give 100% of effort, 100% effort, learn the things, learn ETL testing properly, you will be able to crack your interview easily. It's very easy. ETL testing is very easy. You have to just follow my instruction. You have to just follow my instruction. You will get full things. You will get full things. Okay, you will get whatever the knowledge you need as a ETL tester. You will get full things. Only thing, just give 100% effort. 100% effort, you will get job. If you will not after completing the course, okay, if you have confidence level, your English is not that great, you are not able to crack the interview by any bad luck or something, then you can go for the proxy. But learn the things with your 100% effort first, then think of anything else. Because if you'll not give 100% effort, if you'll not know what is ETL testing, and if you'll go there in a company, you will not able to survive for 100% sure. And people are not getting job with support properly. Okay, people are not getting job support properly. Okay, so you will not able to find the people who will support you in a job. So there are so many things are going on. I don't know, but my belief is that learn the things and then do the work. Okay. Okay. So next one is like class recording and daily notes will be shared. Class recording and daily class notes will be shared. So once we complete our class, we have a shared drive. So this is the drive where we'll be keeping our all recordings and all. So from 11th batch only, I have started keeping all the recording. So like this, you can see. Consider that I have started Oracle SQL. So Oracle SQL related things. SQL Oracle SQL recordings will be there. Like 13 classes recordings are there. Then you will have Oracle SQL installation guidance will be there. We have created video as well as document steps are there. Okay, interview related all these things, questions and document will be there. Then your class document will be there. Whatever we'll discuss in a class, we will I'll share with you, and you will download and you will see 87 pages are there. How many pages are there? 87 pages are there for Oracle, full Oracle. So if you'll see here, see the label of document what I will provide you. The definition by the syntax I'll give you, then whatever is there, then we'll give you the query also for your practice, basic one, but not only this. just do by your own also. Okay, but do it by your own also. So like this will support you for all the document. Okay, if you see all queries are there, all queries are there, and each and everything like when I say 100% means 100% syllabus will be covered, not 1% will be left behind. Each and everything will be covered, and it will be in a proper base. So I, whatever the I have 11 years of experience I have included, I have prepared such a way that so that it will benefit you. So if you'll see Oracle SQL, Informatica class, manual testing, ETL testing project. So project also, we have so many two types of project. I will explain you. Okay, data warehouse concept, data warehouse recordings. Okay, so all these things will be like this only. You will get the recording, agile methodology, ALM. Some extra topics will be there, and then sample resume. I'll give you the sample resume also, so that you will be benefited with you will be preparing your resume in the same way. So test summary and test and whatever the documentation is there, like test cases, how to create test case, okay, how to create test case, how to uh, how to create test case, how to create whatever the demo, whatever the other document will be there. So I'll explain you completely so that you should not have in a question mode, like you will be not have any question. If you'll see, I have 100 GB of data storage. I have purchased more data, and I'm just uploading all here only. So memory is not a problem. We'll upload all this like each and every batch. Previously, I used to not give 12, 13 batch. I did not give, but I started giving for all batches like 14 batches. We have uh, document 15 batch. We have all document today. So many people also not joined because of the weekdays. Okay, but in one class 35 people will be there, 30 to 35 student will be there, and me and Bisal will be handling all doubts or whatever the issue you will have. So me and Bisal will handle. So Bisal, are you there in the call?
Yeah, I'm available.
Yeah, so Bisal, most of the people interacted with Bisal, and he added only you to the group. But majorly, if any things will be there, so I'll be helping you in all aspects. But Bisal will be the first point of contact. He will guide you if you'll get stuck in anything. Okay. So me and Bisal is targeting you people to provide you a job. And we have another group also. We have a Facebook group also, where like approximately 9,000 people have joined. Okay. Uh, Vishal, I am sending you one number. He's calling me continuously. Just talk to him.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Okay. So, Vishal, you have.
Yeah, share me number.
Yeah. Any question, guys? Now, like, I'll show you the Facebook group, and this is what we are going to do it. And after your questions, 10-15 minutes, then we'll show you the syllabus of the whatever the things we are going to cover as a ETL testing. So, like, if you have any question, you can go ahead. One thing is guaranteed: you will get job 100% if you will give 100%. Okay. Now you can go ahead and you can ask your question. No question, guys.
Hello.
Timing timing of the classes will be morning 8 to 9:30, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Classes will be on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, morning 8 to 9:30. Okay. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, what will the difference between the work of SQL developer and this ETL tester? If somebody is doing work in SQL developer and what we can say PLSQL in Python, what will be the
Hmm.
difference between these two profiles? Means, is
See,
there any
PL
difference in
testing.
work?
See, PL/SQL and all, when you will be developing some, that is also database testing and all. But the
Okay.
thing is that here you will be dealing with the data, customer data, transaction data. Okay, company data you will be dealing, and you will have some of set of architecture. Some set of architecture will be there. Based on that only you will be following the method. So because of the like each and every company they are doing, they are making it like this. See, these are the source system where the data will be generated through ETL mechanism. You will process this data to your this target system, data warehouse target system, and from here only reporting will be generated. So this complete process to maintain this complete process, we need a ETL tester and ETL developer. Oracle developer, you mean to say that Oracle developer is a database. Okay, so it's not like you mean to say that the SQL developer, correct? SQL developer are like developer jobs. Okay, but
Yes,
we
yes.
are here as a ETL tester. We don't need much SQL knowledge. Also, we need a medium level of knowledge that I will teach you.
Okay.
Okay, so very bright.
So is there any Python needed for this?
No,
Python?
no, not required for Python. This one.
Okay.
Python is not
Only.
needed. Only SQL and your Informatica tool. That's all.
Okay, 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 sir. Thank you.
Hmm.
Hello, sir. My name is Sharanu.
Yeah.
Can we become ETL developer after working as an ETL tester?
See, ETL developer, if you want, it will be like you don't have job correct now. So if you will
Yeah,
go
yeah.
for ETL developer, it will be
Mm.
a little bit challenging because development is not easy. Development, you will have lots of environment like pressures will be there. You have to learn a lots of things in as a ETL developer. And believe me, like testing jobs, you ask any working person, testing jobs are easy compared to other things. Okay, so once you
Okay.
get a job, once you get a
Mm.
job as a ETL tester, you enter into
Okay.
IT company, work for 1 year, understand the environment, understand the working of the culture of the IT companies. Then later, whatever you want to go for it, you go for it. Like cloud, if you want to learn cloud, you learn ETL testing, ETL development, you want you ETL development. But entry point of view, this is what it will give you the job easily. If you will make your
Okay.
target very high, if you will try
Mm.
to go for the average, okay, so everyone cannot
Mm.
go for the average, correct? On the top of average,
Mm.
it's very difficult to go for it. But if you want to go for the small hill, you will be able to make it, correct? Easily you will be able to
Mm.
climb it. So that is what, don't choose the impossible mission. Just make your target little bit fine, so that you will just get into that, get experience 1 year, 6 months, then you start learning any other thing. Cloud also coming in ETL testing, you don't have to learn any other things also. They are paying very good salary. They are paying very good salary,
Okay.
and you will have bright future in this also. Okay.
And also, actually, I joined in one institute.
Huh.
So I studied data science over there.
You
They
told
covered
me.
the yeah, they covered the data science, AI, Tableau, SQL,
Hmm.
NoSQL, Hadoop, Spark, everything in 4 to 5 months.
So
Even
you
they have
made
covered Python. Python
You
with
made your
machine
life
learning.
very challenging. If you have studied 1 month only ETL testing, you would have job 3 4 months from you'll be working only. But you made your aim only starting very high. I also learned 4 years back data science, but I did not get confidence that much because I was having so much comfort level in ETL testing, so I left it. That I cannot. And nowadays, data science, what how they made it data science, that much job is not there because many of my friends are there in a data science. They are saying that they are in a bench. They don't have any project for data science. So it's not like always like how they made it what is that data science, not that great data science.
Okay.
Okay. So whatever you say, regression, linear regression, all these things, okay. So I know all the visualizations, your Python package.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, so how you use, how you train your data, whatever the source data will be there, how you are training your data. So all this
NumPy.
concept I know, but I did not get confidence to go because it was very lengthy. And nowadays in data
Yeah.
science, they are asking data engineering concept, your AI concept, deep learning, they are asking so many things they are asking. So it's not, that's what I'm saying. No, ETL testing is easy and you are in a good hand. Based on my experience, I have attended more than 100, 150 student, interviews. So based on that interviews, how the question will be asked, how you are going to answer it. So life will be easy. So once you go inside, you try to get some nice project, or if you have like if you have interest to learn something, cloud and all these things, you can learn later on. But entry perspective, only ETL testing will provide you the job. Okay. Any other question? Someone raise hand. Ask.
Hello,
Yeah.
and this is Krishna sir. I have completed in diploma in computer science.
Which year?
Um,
Which year?
yeah, in 2019.
2019. Okay, perfect. Tell me.
Yeah, it's diploma based also. It's entering IT. It's take diploma candidates also. No?
See, Krishna, if you will go as a fresher, then it will matter. Like they will not take you as a diploma or only the engineering bachelor degree they will ask. But when you'll go as a experienced person, 3 years, 4 years of experienced person, they will see the experience. They will not see your diploma or you have done engineering and all.
Okay.
Okay. So
Some
based on,
companies seeing diploma. Some companies are seeing education also in nowadays, right?
yeah, education, no, like the most of like 90% of question they will see your experience only. Once you
Okay.
started working, they will see experience only, how many projects you have worked, how much is the knowledge and all. Okay.
Okay. Is fresher and diploma candidates is not taking a
Fresher, as a freshers, they will not take you diploma candidate.
sorry?
As a freshers, they will not take you diploma candidate because uh, they will go for the engineering student. But when you will show some 3 years, 4 years of experience, you will be able to get the job based on the experience.
But we cannot survive in that in IT company 3 years, 4 years.
Why?
That it's expected is more than he is expected. We are not performing that when we are going in that IT company. We are
Tell me
not
one thing,
performing.
Krishna. Yeah, tell me one thing. This 1.5 months, 6 weeks of training, what I will teach you, what I will teach you. I will not show you movies, no. I'll teach you whatever the things are required to survive in a company. Correct.
Okay.
So after learning this, you will not have any difficulties in surviving in a companies. And if you'll have any problem, you can talk to me after the once you'll get a job. If you'll have any problem like the understanding of requirement is a problem, anything, you can contact me. It's not
Okay.
like one time I'll teach you and then I'll leave you alone. It's not like that. People are calling me after getting job and all. They are asking so many doubts. Sir, this form they are asking, that form they are asking, this they are asking. they have assigned me this project, this project, this project. So I'm just helping everyone. It's not like I left it like that. Okay, any other question, guys? Guys, we have a Facebook page also. So, like the software testing jobs, where like we have approximately 9,000 members are there. So just get subscribe this also. Most of the job openings and all I'll be posting here, and it will be useful for you people. Okay, so software testing jobs like this. So that is there. Okay, so
Is the
if you go,
manual or automation is there?
sorry, manual automation means.
In manual testing is there and automation testing.
What question is? What is your question?
You have to give you have to teach the class in automation testing or
ETL
manual
testing.
testing.
It is a ETL testing. It's not automation testing. It's a ETL testing. Okay,
Okay.
using Oracle or using SQL and Informatica tool. It's the ETL testing. Manual testing is different. Automation testing is different. Automation, if you'll go for automation testing to learn, like consider that Java Selenium you want to go for learn. It will take you 6-7 months to learn. And Java is not so easy. Okay, Java is like ocean. Once you learn it, you understanding also it's a problem, and you will have to crack the interview in a Java. It's like so many other different question, blah blah they will ask. It's not easy. Okay, it's a 5-6 month minimum it will take, and it is very complicated. Okay, so but ETL testing 6 weeks class, easy to learn because it's a Oracle based, SQL based technology. SQL is easy to learn. Okay, let me know any other question. Krishna, got
Hello,
it?
sir. Actually, hello.
One by one. Tell me, Saran.
Actually, I applied around 3,000 jobs in a Naukri. So
For what?
almost every database, my resume, my phone number, and my email ID is there. So
Regarding what you are applying job?
regarding data science,
Data science.
yeah.
We are not talking here data science. Data science, if you want to learn something blah blah, so you can waste another 5 months or 6 months of time. If you want to talk only data science, then you can join some other platform. This is ETL testing. Okay. So if you want
No,
job,
sir. No, sir, no. I'm not talking in that way. I'm talking in every company, my data is there. So if I go through like some 2 to 3 years experience, so they come to know my resume will be already there in database.
see,
So whether
IT
it will be
50 lakhs employees are there in India. Okay, 50 lakhs employees are there. So they will not consider your profile only. Okay, Saran is coming, and Saran profile came again and all. Like not like that. And for that only, we'll be creating different mail ID. You have to take another
okay.
mobile number,
Yeah,
and you will be able to make it.
yeah. Okay, that's what I.
Hmm. So all everything we have a suggest. We have a solution. So don't worry.
I
Just
have a
give
question for you.
Yeah.
So, will you teach us how to test the stored procedures, triggers?
Not require those things as ETL testers.
Okay.
Whatever the things are required for the ETL testing, to learn ETL testing, to get you a job as a ETL tester, I will consider as each and everything 100% to get you a job as a ETL tester. So whatever is not required will not take it. Okay. So coming back to the agenda, like what we are going to discuss about the data warehouse in agenda or syllabus, you can say that syllabus like we'll discuss data warehouse concept, basic SQL to complex SQL we'll discuss. So when we say SQL part, so I've created such a way that document you will be benefited from this. Okay, so let me show you the complete setup. So you see, like when we discuss about the SQL, this much of SQL will going to learn, like introduction to SQL, DDL command, DML command, data retrieval, data aggregation. Functions are very important. Constant, joins, subqueries, set operator, all these things we are going to discuss. Okay, so you don't have to worry. Based on my knowledge, I'll show you all these things, and then if you consider that any of the document, if you'll go, it is very nicely explained. Okay, so it's very nicely explained. All theoretical things are there. All theoretical things are there. Okay, and after that also we have the queries also will be shared to you. Okay, the query also it will be shared to you. So one topic, minimum 7-8 queries will be there. Okay, and I'll be showing in a class also the real time how we are going to do it using the SQL developer tool. Okay, SQL will be using this, and we have Informatica tool also, where I'll be showing you completely the Informatica tool. Okay, so this is a SQL tool we have, where like will be this is the Informatica tool. Okay, so if you'll go for the designer window, so we have a designer window. I have not logged in here, but I'll show you, and when I'll discuss Informatica part, we'll discuss all these things with the example. I'll show you how to create test case, how to create document, how to run workflows, how to validate your source and target. Everything will be the real time scenario based. Okay, real time scenario based. You don't have to worry about that. So how we are going to write test case, all these things I'm going to explain you. How we are going to create test case, all these things will be explained in your SQL part. So because 70% of your interview will depend on SQL only, so we'll make your SQL perfect. We'll make a small group and all, so that you will be you will be doing practice. You will be asking me doubt. If you'll get stuck in any time, you can call me anytime. You can drop me mess anytime. Vishal also there. Okay, Informatica tool will be with the different types of logics. Transformation logic we'll discuss in this. This is very important. Till here you can learn anywhere, but this is what we need as a ETL tester, and this is very important. And here only you will learn completely ETL testing, how you are going to survive in a company, how you are going to survive in a company, how you are going to how you are going to observe the mapping document, and based on that mapping document, how you are going to write the test case. Okay, how you are going to write the test case, how you are going to validate source and target, how what are the query you are going to write. All these things will be explained in this one with a real-time examples. Okay, with real-time examples. So when you will be playing with the data here, okay, you will be playing with the data here. So next one is not HPLM now. It's ALM is bought by the different company. ALM tool overview for test management. Basic Unix command required for ETL testing. Basic manual testing concept. Unix command, I'll not explain you because they will not ask you much for the Unix command. I'll provide you the document for this. You have to go through that. Agile methodology, project explanation, minimum 2. So when we'll discuss project part, we have so many projects, like we have banking domain, we have retail domain, we have like insurance domain. Projects are there. Those are the things we'll explain. So you don't have to worry. If you'll consider other places, no, they will not explain you the projects. They will not explain you. They will not provide you the notes. They will not give you documents such a way that what I will provide you, so that for the practice purpose only. Okay, it's not for other purpose. For the interview question, how you are going to face interview, what you are going to tell in interview, your roles and responsibility, your project architecture, how you are going to tell in a project, everything I'll be helping you, the resume building, the Naukri profile updates, all these things. Okay, so database house concept, these are the topics we are going to discuss. If you'll go one by one, you will feel that you are seeing first time. So don't worry that it's all theoretical part. It's all theoretical part. You don't have to worry about that. I'll teach you with the real-time explanation. Then SQL, these are the topics what we are going to cover as a SQL part. Okay. Uh, all these things we are going to cover most of the things in SQL so that your interview cracking will be easy for you. Okay. Next one, like Informatica tool, we are going to learn your ETL testing process, complete testing process. We are going to learn in ETL testing Informatica segment only. Informatica tool also will learn, but for testing purpose, we need little less Informatica tool. We don't need much Informatica tool. So those things, whatever the things are required, I'll teach you so that you will not face any problem in a ETL testing interview. So what is our target? End of the day, we have to get the IT job. Okay, end of the day, we have to get the IT job. So for keeping that in mind only, these are the syllabus are prepared and you will get job on that. So manual testing, whatever the manual testing topics are needed. So those things are covered here. Okay, we don't need manual testing more because if you'll go full syllabus of manual testing, it will take 1 month of time to learn completely. So whatever the topics are required for ETL testing, that only we are going to cover. And 100%, 90% questions will be asked from manual testing from these topics only. Okay. What is agile methodology? All these things we are going to learn. Product owner, okay, FTP, project explanation, discuss on interview questions and related topics, and ALM, okay, resume preparation, all these things. Okay, so Python will not go for Python, but I'll provide you the notes of Python. You can do practice, okay? Because when we say Python, we are not getting time after completing of this this course. 6 weeks, it will take full 6 weeks only to complete all these things. Okay. So this is what we have ETL testing. If you want IT job, then you have to go for the ETL testing only. Okay. It's because it's easy. Lots of openings are there. Okay. It's SQL based. You will be liking it while you will do SQL. When you will be learning SQL, you will be liking it because it's very easy job, very easy to learn SQL compared to Java and all. Okay. So little bit effort you have to give. It's not like I'll hold the offer and I'll give it in your hand. You have to give your 100% to learn the things whatever I will teach you. Okay, teaching wise, everyone is giving good feedback. The way I'll teach you, you will understand all the concept. Okay, all the concept.
So I have a question. So will you assist us to help in installation the SQL developer in our laptop?
Yeah, I will help you in that. And we have a video and document prepared for the same. I'll give you that also. If you'll see here also. Installation, each and everything I'll help you.
Sure.
So this is the software step by step. This is the video you can follow and you can make it. Okay.
Okay.
Any other question, guys? So agenda is done. Syllabus complete. Explanation is done. Okay. Let me know if any other questions.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Tell
Hello.
me.
Sir, what will be the salary after if we show 2 years of experience? Is there any difference between salaries of tester and SQL developer, ETL developer or ETL tester?
There will be no difference for the SQL developer and your tester's salary. Like multiple 2.5 nowadays, companies are paying very good salary. So if you are going for 2 years, you may get 6-7 lakhs of package. If you go 3 years, you will get 8-9 lakhs of package. A minimum, I'm saying, as like as we'll keep little bit less only, so that like more company will be bent towards you. And when we say that if you want to go for 4 years, then 4 years, 12 lakhs, 11 lakhs maximum package, you can get it initially. Later on, after 6 months or 1 year later, if you'll switch, you will get 18, 19, 20 lakhs of package also. Okay.
Okay, but sir, what kind of work will be there on this high such package?
Your voice is
Mm.
breaking. Can you speak loud?
No, sir, if the company is offering that much of package, then what kind of what will be the
Not
level
that,
of work?
not that much of package. IT, no, people are getting 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs, 50 lakh package in India. That is
Okay,
very
but
minimum package what I am talking about.
the roles and responsibility are somewhat means
Everything I'll
senior
explain
level.
you. Everything
Okay,
I'll
okay,
explain you. Same thing you have to follow in a company also.
okay. Means it's good to if we go for 1.5 or 2 years only. Okay, means
Not
at
required
initial
two
level.
years. Which year
Okay,
pass out you are?
I am 16 pass out.
If you are going for 2 years, no, you will not get
Hmm.
more calls. You will go for 4
Okay,
years. Okay.
4 years,
Don't worry
direct
that
4 years.
if you are going for 4 years, that's what I'm saying. Don't scare. Just be prepared. Give your best. Whatever the I'll tell you one thing. Okay. In last batch,
Okay,
13 years of experience person joined. He was working as a manual testing, more than mine experience. Okay. He joined. He learned ETL testing. He got 28 lakhs of package.
25.
28
Okay,
lakhs of package he got.
Bapre.
I'm not
Okay,
lying.
okay,
Okay, I'm not lying because see, company will pay you more and more package. So don't worry. Just learn the things. Why I'm saying that 4 years of experience also that you can learn this class. 3 years also
Hmm.
you can learn. 12 years or 13 years also same thing. ETL testing what they will ask. In ABCD if someone will ask you A to Z, so what they will ask
Means,
A to Z only.
means
No same thing only. Syllabus only they will ask. Correct.
okay, testing only that scenario is going to remain same for all
Mm.
means whatever
Yeah.
may be the
Same.
years of experience. Okay,
Yes. Yeah.
okay, 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 okay. And
Okay.
sir, we need here means PLSQL in this course.
No, no, PL SQL is not needed.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
If you
Thank you.
want to learn, you can learn little bit Python, but
Okay,
that
Python.
also
Okay,
not needed. But if you'll give your
okay,
100% ETL testing only, you are more than sufficient. You are king.
okay.
You'll get job faster. I have not called a person got job recently in
Mhm.
Cognizant and other places. Otherwise, I could
Okay,
call him today because of this. Like 1 hour, I am only eating it. So if he'll come and then it will be like 1.5 hour of session.
okay, okay, sir. Okay.
I'll in next class I'll call them and you can discuss how they have prepared and then how my training benefited them.
Yes, 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 sir. Once we if we get to listen their experience, then it will be once
Mm. Next
we will
class
get
I'll
more
call
confidence. Okay, okay, okay. No problem.
them.
So hi Jam. For the what is the process for these like certificates you guys do or we need to take from the other third parties?
No, no, we have a few contacts. Okay, we'll
Mm-hmm.
provide you one when we'll complete our course. No, that time
Mm-hmm.
we'll provide you the contacts and then you people will get that. Okay. So you
Okay.
don't have to search in market because you don't know who will teach, who will cheat you and all. Correct.
Yes. Yes.
So we will observing all these things activity whatever is there. So it's
Mm-hmm.
like end-to-end support will be there. So our target is that you should not get cheated. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So
Yeah.
don't worry that we'll take care of it.
Sure, Jam. Thank you.
Okay. Any other question, guys? Or
Hello, sir.
yeah, bank just tell me.
So currently I'm working in non-IT job, sir. If I get the job as a ETL testing, there will
Mm.
be any problem with background verification?
There will be no initial 1 year. You have to work as a ETL tester. After that, I'll provide you a real-time experience. Okay, a real-time existing company which will be valid for the lifelong. So initial 1 year you have to work and see many people are working like that. One person was working in a Reliance industry. Okay, in a store wise he was having PF and all. He joined Infosys
Yeah.
nicely. He's working
That's why
in
I'm asking. Yeah. PFM only.
yeah. So don't worry that we'll hide that.
Okay.
Mm. Any other question or shall we wind up the call? We have a YouTube channel also. I have a YouTube channel also where like all like initial recording, 2-3 recording will be placed. Okay. And this the demo class or recording also I'll place into the YouTube also. So you can go through that also. Okay? Just subscribe and like. I'll share in a group. Okay. Okay, guys, I'll upload this video in YouTube and then you can refer that and refer your friend also. Don't worry that job is guaranteed here. Just give me your best 100%. 1 month only hard work, you will get job. Okay, okay guys. Bye everyone.
Thank you, Jain. Bye. Have a good day.
Bye. Bye. Take care. Next class will be on Sunday. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
bye.